Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Uber Eats versus DoorDash versus Grubhub. Which is the best? Choosing the best food delivery app depends on what you need. But for most users, it comes down to speed, pricing, features, and reliability. Uber Eats offers fast delivery in cities, a sleek app, and wide restaurant options. It's great if you already use Uber, but fees are often higher and support can't be hit or miss. DoorDash, the biggest in the US, covers both cities and suburbs. Well, with Dash Pass offering free delivery and solid discounts. It also delivers groceries and convenience items, though driver quality and app bugs vary by location. Grubhub, one of the oldest platforms, is best for scheduled orders and campus deliveries. It has lower markups and decent perks through Grubhub Plus, but fewer restaurants and slower delivery in many areas. Overall, go with Uber Eats for speed in urban areas, DoorDash for value and broader reach, and Grubhub if you need a scheduled or campus-friendly option. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.